What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Pkwy. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. It is Friends and Family Weekend at Nike. So what does that mean? It means we got a 30% off coupon. Let's go check it out. So we're all the way out in, is it Arvin, California, near Bakersfield. Let's go see what we find. Weird 270s again. Saw this a while back. Like snakeskin in the back, has some weird material, but the huge 270, 60 bucks. I should be on clearance because those are one of the ugliest shoes I've ever seen. So yeah. Size 10, they don't have nothing crazy. They got the chlorophylls 140, size 10. But nothing crazy. But the great thing is we can look at, this is 30% off whatever, we can look at some of the stuff's on the regular shelves. So we'll look at that in a sec. Got a pair of those. This is super comfortable. Looking around, they ain't the size 9.5. They got a whole lot of 9.5s from right there all the way to right there. Size 10, they don't really have much of it all. 9.5, they got all kinds of stuff. Some Witness, 80 bucks. And I believe the Friends and Family coupon, you can only use it once. I believe so. So yeah, can't just buy anything. Size 9, Benassis, 25 bucks. Let's see. They really don't have much. I think they had these last time. 200. Air Tempo 720. When the 10.5, man, it's like Kyrie galore. Look at that, Kyrie 5. Got another pair right there. 2 more pairs right there. 3 more pairs right there. These are pretty sick. 120. You get 30% off of that. That's not bad. It's like a, I don't know if the colors are showing. It's like a brownish, grayish. Brownish, grayish. Not bad. For 30% off. Let's check out the ones. There's a couple of the Jordan 6 Hydros. 35. Jordan 7 Hydro. 30. Yeah, it's a staple. Usually got one of these everywhere. Fadeaways. 79. Usually got these everywhere. Jordan TEs. 2 lows. Hard pass. Futures. They're asking for way too much. 109 for those. Way too much. The 312s. Usual. Another color of the 312s. Why not 01? 0.1? These might be worth it. 150, 33s. What's that? The desert camo color? The desert. Oh, I'm sorry. Vast gray. And then we got the Jordan 1 doubles. Black History Month. Laney's. This is what I talk about, 30% off. Yeah. So the Air Force, the Air Max Force. These not bad. 55. Another 55. Oh, they got the Cortez Basic. This is the one with the LA on the back. I saw these on the website. They were 30% off last time. Looks like they're going for retail here. A little bit too much. Huaraches. And then the next style. This is the Zoom 2Ks. So this is just, I was gonna say it's too much, but the price and the shoe, it's just holy crap. Look at how high it is. It's cover your whole damn ankle, and that's just too high. Air Max OG Plus 120, not bad. This color is a little bit better. 720s, 720s. Yeah, not digging those. Not digging these at all. It's like straight up plastic on top. Weird. With the 5 trays, 70 bucks. Just that's way too much. 4s, carry 4. Isn't that retail? So selling the KDs for retail, KD 12s for retail. Got some pleats, nothing too interesting. With the Pro Trays. Not bad. I got it for cheaper than that. But nothing much here either. It's kind of dry today. Nothing. Dang, I was hoping to cop something at 30% off whatever, and nothing. It was just dry, nothing. There was absolutely nothing there. So, yeah, I think the Laney 5s are like the only thing that was interesting. But everything else, pretty whatever. Let's try this Adidas outlet. Let's try the Adidas outlet, see what we find there.